So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you about the biggest event. It is going to happen on the Google Cloud platform, that is the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, that will start on 25th of April 2022 at 5 p.m. and will end at June 25, 2022 at midnight. So if you want to join this event, then stay tuned on the channel and I will bring all the videos and apps that are going to happen on this event. You should obviously join with the goodies. With the goodies, you should learn. You will learn much about cloud, how the cloud Google Cloud works, and much more things related to this. Absolutely free. Yes, it is absolutely free to start on April 25 for 2022 at Monday. That is Monday. It is 5 p.m. according to Indian time. So it is extended by four days. It was previously rated as 28 April 20, but now it is on 25 April. So stay tuned on this channel to get updated about the event and get seats available, because it will open in 2 minutes, only 1 minute the seats will get full. Obviously the students or the people are waiting for this event, biggest event. It is a very good event. So stay tuned with the channel. I will give all the updates about this event, when and how to register and what all things you need to commit the labs and what all you will get from this event. And why should you join this program? It is saying here you can showcase whatever learned in your professional network. LinkedIn, you can show this all in your LinkedIn. In your resume also you can show what I have learned to Google Cloud, and also this can enhance your technical skills. And also with the technical skills, so you can get goodies and swags from the Google Cloud platform. So you can see the swags are given here: t-shirt, bag. This is another bag and pen. Yes, syllabus of the program. All these things I will put all these videos on my channel, so stay tuned on the channel. As you can see, there are 4 tracks. In these tracks there are many cases and skill matches. You have to complete all these and learn different things related to cloud. It is a very good event. Everyone here who is my subscriber should participate in this program. Link is in the description. Stay tuned on this channel to get updated before the seats gets full, and more resources about this event will be also uploaded on this channel. So stay tuned on this channel and please subscribe my channel and give a like if you like the video, and comment down if you want more videos related to this cloud program, the solutions, and the what all things you can do to get the goodies in. Please comment down how you like the event, and the link of this website is in the description. You can directly reach to the website and check out all the stuff. Enrollment is now not open. It will open on 25 April to Monday, that is 5 p.m. So stay tuned on 5 p.m. 25th of April, Monday. Yes, here as they have mentioned that please keep an eye out here for the same. So start date will be on 25 April and end date will be on June 25. So you can add this to your calendar also. Google will remind you about this event if you forgot. And if you don't forgot, please subscribe my channel. You will get updated about this wonderful event, which will teach you much more and take it to the heights skill set. Kickstart your career in cloud and get hands on. Those students have to kickstart their career in cloud and build a great future that can join this event. These two powers I have, like Google search, Gmail, YouTube. You can see this all stuff mentioned here. Along the way you will learn practice concept like computing, application development, big data, also big data things, machine learning, which are very much booming now. Also you can learn this in this event using cloud. If you get stuck, you have facilitators who are facilitating in Google Cloud to help. There are many facilitators. I will also help you about how to, if you stuck anywhere, comment down on my videos. I will definitely provide a solution, or comment together. I will define the solution for that problem. So that's it for this video. To join this event, stay tuned on this channel to get updated about this event. Thank you.